welcome back to our channel. I'm Alicia.
And I'm Sophia.
Today you might recognize our 4 characters laying before you. We have done a video exactly like this, but now it's time for number 2. So we're gonna again be transforming these 4 Harry Potter characters into mini dolls, but this time they're gonna be so much better.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get started with Professor Umbridge. Alright, so we're gonna use Olivia's bottom
With Olivia's top.
and then some brown eyes and her hair. I feel like this is very similar to our old one.
Yeah. But a little better.
Yeah, much better. It matches the colors very nicely. Alright, now we're doing Hermione Granger.
So we're starting with Mia's mom's bottom and Mia's top with brown eyes and
Hermione's old hair.
little hair.
Yeah. And now we're adding a little Daily Prophet.
Yeah.
Now we're on to Sirius Black, and I feel like this is going to be so much better than the girl version we did last time. So we're adding Steve's top and head, because he has a mustache, and then his hair.
Now we're on to Harry Potter. So we have Angus's bottom and top. I don't really think the top matches Harry, but that's okay. And then we have his head and
that doesn't match him.
no, the hair. Okay.
Okay.
That matches.
That matches so much better. All right, we have finished this transformation number 2. I think it looks so much better
Then
than
number 1. And
we love it. I
Yes.
hope you guys love it too.
yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye!